Asphalt Mixtures Gyratory Design Samples 57 and 58 have been packaged and are being shipped to your laboratory. The official shipping date for these samples is May 30th, 2024. However, your laboratory may receive the samples before that date. On May 30th, the sample instructions and online datasheet will be released to the participants. Upon receipt of the boxes, carefully open them and check to see if the sample components were damaged in shipment or if one is missing. If you are missing any of the components described in this video or did not receive your samples by June 13th, 2024, please contact us immediately. You should find the following components in the sample boxes. Box 1 will contain the following items: 1 bag of 9.5 mm 3/8 inch aggregate, 1 bag of fine aggregate passing the 2.36 mm number 8 sieve, 1 bag of mineral filler, and 2 cans of asphalt binder. Box 2 will contain the following items: 1 bag of 12.5 mm 1/2 inch aggregate, 1 bag of 4.75 mm number 4 aggregate, and 1 bag of 2.36 mm number 8 aggregate. The cans of liquid asphalt and aggregate will be used to prepare a butter batch for each mixture's design and 1 specimen for the gyratory compaction. The butter batches will need to be split and used as the test specimens for maximum specific gravity. The information for preparing the batches can be found in the sample instructions on the AASHTO resource website. Please follow the batching instructions with as much accuracy as possible. We recommend that the mass of the size fractions be weighed to within plus or minus 0.1 gram of the masses listed in the instructions. The closing date for this round is July 25th, 2024. All pertinent information, such as sample instructions, data sheets, and safety data sheets, can be found on the AASHTO resource website in the Data Sheets and Instructions page. Thank you for your participation, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.